Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life Science Gyan. So in this video we will see Kurukshetra University Botany Assistant Professor exam paper. So our first question is laminarin is present in Chlorophyta, Bacillariophyta, Rhodophyta, Phaeophyta. So the correct answer is Phaeophyta. Laminarin is present in Phaeophyta. Our next question is the yearly mean number of citations of articles published in the last 2 years in a journal. Citation index, bibliography, H index, impact factor. So the correct answer is impact factor. So the yearly mean number of citations of article published in last 2 years in a journal is known as impact factor. Our next question is a mutant which does not show change phenotype and its behavior depends on environmental conditions or presence of other mutations. Conditional mutant, suppressor mutant, double mutant, or sensitive mutant. So the correct answer is option 1, conditional mutant. So conditional mutants behavior depends on environmental conditions. Our next question is ends of chromosomes are prevented from attaching to each other how? Option 1, telomeres are non-sticky. Option 2, end of chromosome is unstable. Option 3, polarity of telomeres prevents the chromosome ends to fuse. Option 4, morphologically dissimilar and prevent fusion. So the correct answer is option 3, polarity of telomeres prevents the chromosome ends to fuse. Our next question is man-made colorless, odorless, easily liquefiable chemical with great potential for global warming is option 1 methane, option 2 nitrous oxide, option 3 chlorofluorocarbons, option 4 carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option 3 chlorofluorocarbon. Our next question is most stable RNA. Option 1 tRNA, option 2 rRNA, option 3 snRNA, option 4 microRNA. So the correct answer is option 2 rRNA are most stable RNA. Questions 7. A member of Taxodeaceae, option 1 Sequoia, option 2 Thuja, option 3 Pinus, option 4 Cedrus. So the correct answer is option 1 Sequoia. So they are a member of Taxodeaceae. The next question is short days plants. Option 1 sunflower, pea, cotton. Option 2 spinach, radish. Option 3 soybean, tobacco, sugarcane. Option 4 maize, oat, wheat. So the correct option is option 3 soybean, tobacco and sugarcane are short day plants. The next question is a biome with tree-less plain with long winters and little daylight. So option 1 savanna, option 2 tundra, option 3 taiga, option 4 chaparral. So the correct answer is option 2 tundra. Tundra are biome with a tree-less plain with long winters and little daylight. Our next question is a free floating plant on the water surface. Option 1 Ceratophyllum, option 2 Typha, option 3 Nymphia, option 4 Wolfia. The correct answer is Wolfia. So Wolfia is a free floating plant on surface of water. Our next question is plant from which a commercially using fiber is obtained by rating of stem. Option 1 Gossypium herbaceum, option 2 Corchorus capsularis, option 3 Cocos nucifera, option 4 Gossypium arboretum. The correct answer is option 2 Corchorus capsularis is correct answer. Our next question is a fatty acid molecule is amphipathic, option 2 hydrophobic, option 3 hydrophilic, none of these. So the correct answer is option 1 fatty acid molecule is amphipathic. Our next question is biotin is option 1 vitamin A, option 2 vitamin K, option 3 vitamin E, option 4 vitamin H. So the correct answer is option 4 biotin is vitamin H. Our next question is enzymes associated with endoplasmic reticulum. Option 1 NADH cytochrome reductase, option 2 NADH diphosphorase, option 3 glucose 6 phosphatase, option 4 all of these. So the correct answer is option 4 all of these. All of these enzymes are associated with AR. Our next question is which of these is not a function of mitochondria? Option 1 heat production, option 2 anabolic activities, option 3 histone synthesis, option 4 calcium accumulation. So the correct answer is option 3 histone synthesis is not a function of mitochondria. So next question is alkaptonuria patients fail to produce. Option 1 homogentic acid oxidase, option 2 phenylalanine hydroxylase, option 3 tyrosine kinase, option 4 lingual lipase. So the correct answer is option 1 homogentic acid oxidase is failed to produced in alkaptonuria patients. Our next question is the overall enthalpy change in a reaction is equal to the sum of enthalpy change for the individual steps in the reaction measured at same temperature. Identify the law. Option 1 Born-Haber law, Bass's law, option 3 Kirchhoff's law, option 4 Rate law. So the correct answer is option 2 Bass's law. Our next question is formation of glucose from amino acid. Option 1 glucogenolysis, option 2 dark reaction, option 3 glycolysis, option 4 gluconeogenesis. So the correct answer is gluconeogenesis. The formation of glucose from amino acid is known as gluconeogenesis. Our next question is a major rate limiting enzyme in glycolysis. Option 1 glucokinase, option 2 hexokinase, option 3 phosphokinase, option 4 thymine kinase. So the correct answer is option 2 hexokinase. Our next question is headquarters of National Biodiversity Authority. Option 1 Kolkata, option 2 Delhi, option 3 Chennai, option 4 Mumbai. So the correct answer is option 3 Chennai. So the headquarters of National Biodiversity is in Chennai. Our next question is gRNA means guide RNA can be mainly used in option 1 breakdown of mRNA, option 2 DNA complex formation, option 3 targeted editing, option 4 DNA replication. So the correct answer is option 3 gRNA can be used in targeted editing. Our next question is holocentric chromosomes. Option 1 chromosome with a single centromere. Option 2 chromosome with multiple centromeres. Option 3 short chromosomes with many genes at the center. Option 4 additional chromosome which is an abnormal duplication. So the correct answer is option 2 chromosome with multiple centromeres known as holocentric chromosomes. Our next question is choose correct options. Cell cycle is controlled by some phosphatases, some catalysis, inhibitory protein, cyclin dependent kinases. So the correct answer is option 1 all controlled cell cycle. So all of these enzymes involved in cell cycle. Our next question is which one is not taking place in endoplasmic reticulum? Option 1 fatty acid elongation, option 2 fatty acid desaturation, option 3 protein glycosylation, option 4 urea cycle. So the correct answer is option 4 urea cycle is not taking place in endoplasmic reticulum. Our next question is which process does not take place in 5' to 3' direction in DNA? Option 1 transcription, option 2 DNA replication, option 3 RNA editing, option 4 nick translation. So the correct answer is option 3 RNA editing does not take place in 5' to 3' direction in DNA because it can take place at any direction. Our next question is alpha subunit of eukaryotic DNA polymerase consists of option 1 6 subunits, option 2 5 subunits, option 3 4 subunits, option 4 3 subunits. So the correct answer is option 3 alpha subunit of eukaryotic DNA polymerase consists of 4 subunits. Our next question is which is not functioning in patients of xeroderma pigmentosum? Option 1 nucleotide excision repair, option 2 mismatch repair, option 3 photo repair, option 4 base excision repair. So the correct answer is option 1 nucleotide excision repair is not functioning in xeroderma pigmentosum patients. Our next question is ubiquitin pathway is involved in option 1 DNA repair, option 2 cell cycle control, option 3 heat shock response, option 4 all of these. So the correct answer is option 4 all of these have ubiquitin pathway role. Our next question is siRNAs, silencing RNAs. So the option 1 double stranded, option 2 single stranded, option 3 10 base pair in length, option 4 50 base pair in length. So the correct answer is option 1 double stranded RNA. So siRNA is double stranded RNA. Our next question is autofluorescent protein from Euphoria victoria has option 1 128 amino acid, option 2 218 amino acids, option 3 238 amino acids, option 4 438 amino acids. So the correct answer is option 3 autofluorescence protein from Euphoria victoria has 238 amino acids. So next question is bisporic bimitotic embryo sac is found in option 1 polygonum, option 2 allium, option 3 echilapa, option 4 piper. So the correct answer is allium, option 2. So Ileum has bisporic, bimitotic, embryosic. Our next question is bar character in Drosophila is a option 1 dominant Y linked character, option 2 recessive Y linked character, option 3 dominant X linked character, option 4 recessive X linked character. So the correct answer is option 3 dominant X linked character. Our next question is an exotic plant which is now creating phloem problem as wheat. So the options are option 1 salvia, option 2 Ecornia, option 3 Trapa, option 4 Pistia. So the correct answer is option 2 Ecornia is exotic plant which is now creating environmental problems. The next question is select the correct statement. In the general process of primary succession, invasion involves acasis. Climate has no control over succession. Succession finally leads to nudation. Coaction initiates succession. So options are statement 1, option 2, statement 2, option 3, statement 3, option 4, statement 4. So the correct answer is option 1. So only option 1. And the general process of primary succession, invasion involves acasis. Our next question is Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary is in option 1 Uttarakhand, option 2 Assam, option 3 Mizoram, option 4 Bengal. So the correct answer is option 2 Assam. So Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary is in Assam. Our next question is a base analog. Option 1 ethidium bromide, option 2 ethylene imine, option 3 5-chlorouracil, option 4 proflavin. So the correct answer is option 3 5-chlorouracil is a base analog. Our next question is Indian Patent Act came into existence in option 1 1960, option 2 1967, option 3 1970, option 4 1975. So the correct answer is option 3 in 1970 Indian Patent Act came into existence. The next question is oligogenes. Option 1 genes having large individual effects producing distinct phenotypes. Option 2 genes affecting more than 3 characters. Option 3 genes influencing a cumulative effect. Option 4 gene producing short nucleotides. So the correct answer is option 1 genes having large individual effects producing distinct phenotype known as oligogenes. Our next question is distinctly related organs with similar traits indicated. Option 1 parallel evolution, option 2 co-evolution, option 3 divergent evolution, option 4 convergent evolution. So the correct answer is option 3 divergent evolution. So distinctly related organs with similar traits known as divergently evolved organs. Our next question is term genomics was coined by option 1 Pauling, Hosweg and Van Hesper, option 2 Ton Roderick, option 3 Patrick O'Brown, option 4 S.G. Khurana. So correct answer is option 2 Ton Roderick coined term genomics. Our next question is in recalcitrant seeds. Option 1 decrease in lipid peroxidation during desiccation. Option 2 increase in lipid peroxidation during desiccation. Option 3 produce high amount of peroxidase. Option 4 high amylase and pectin synthesis. So the correct answer is option 2 in recalcitrant seeds increase in lipid peroxidation during desiccation. Our next question is presence of phloem phases in secondary xylem which is cross-shaped is seen in option 1 Piper, option 2 Begonia, option 3 bougainvillea. Option 4, bignonia. The correct answer is option 4. In bignonia, presence of phloem wedges in secondary xylem, which is cross-shaped, is seen. Our next question is GM trait of APH4 gene is option 1 herbicide resistant, option 2 antibiotic resistant, option 3 is salinity tolerance, option 4 pesticide resistant. So the correct answer is option 2. APH4 gene provides antibiotic resistance in GM crop. Our next question is in the ovary cavity, pollen tube is guided by option 1 chalaza, option 2 syn grids, option 3 egg, option 4 obturator. So the correct answer is option 4. In the ovary cavity, obturator guides pollen tube. The next question is a duplicate of holotype is known as option 1 neotype, option 2 paratype, option 3 lectotype, option 4 isotype. So the correct answer is option 4 isotype. A duplicate holotype is known as isotype. Question 46. Find correct statement. In rivularia, filament is completely within gelatinous sheet. Chlorococcales are filamentous form. Chlorella reproduces by non-motile spores. Carpospore is absent in Batrachospermum. So the correct answer is option 2. 1 and 3 options are correct. So the statement 1 is in rivularia filament is completely within gelatinous sheet, and statement 3 chlorella reproduces by non-motile spores. Our next question is a family with syngenesious anther. Option 1 Amaranthaceae, option 2 Cucurbitaceae, option 3 Acanthaceae, option 4 Asteraceae. So the correct answer is option 4. So Asteraceae family has syngenesious anther. Our next question is in guard cells, starch hydrolysis occurs when the pH is nearly option 1 3.5, option 2 5.5, option 3 7.5, option 4 9.5. So the correct answer is option 3. When pH is nearly 7.5, starch hydrolysis occurs in guard cells. Our next question is number of linkage groups in human male. Option 1 23, option 2 24, option 3 46, option 4 48. So the correct answer is option 2 24. So 22 plus x plus y. So these are total 24 unique linkage group in human. Next question is, and this is last question, probability of having first girl child with color blindness. So condition is father of both parents are color blind. So the option 1 70%, option 2 0%, option 3 30%, option 4 100%. So the correct answer is option 2 0%.